Welcome in this video lesson. So today we're going to look at the installation of a program called dev C++. In this case, this program is a compiler which we'll be using, which is an integrated development environment. So what we have to do is head over to Google and type in the search dev C++. In that the first link there, dev C++ sourceforge.net. Yeah, click that green button. So as this program will be downloading in background, let me introduce you and explain what we will be using here. So this is a compiler we'll be using, which will enable us to write our C++ language, and it will be later converted into a code which is understandable by the computer. So that is the purpose of a compiler. In short, let me just give you a short description. So a compiler is a computer program that translates computer code written in the C++ programming language into another code understandable by the computer. So an IDE, which I've said, an integrated development environment, is usually consists of the source code that you have an editor alongside automation tools and debugging facilities. And introducing this dev C++ as I downloaded in the background. I've already downloaded it, so let me execute it. The good thing is just it is simple to install this certain computer program, so I'll just guide you. So let me wait for it to finish this first part. And so that we'll head over and create our first C++ program. Click agree, click next, install yes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create just a basic C++ computer program. So we can create several programs, but in this certain video I'm going to show you how to create a simple program that prints out a certain text on the screen. Hello world. You can even say hello programmers. You can even say hello instructor, whatever you want. It all depends up to you. It's not a command that you all should always write hello world, but as most of people, they just write hello world as their first program. So let me wait and see as it extracts certain graphic interface. And those if there's anyone of you who knows about these graphic drivers here, those are the other stuff which are being installed in the language, whatever. It's almost finished. Okay, click finish and launch dev C++ version 5.11. So let's wait and see. So this is the part where you choose your certain language, but for this course we'll be using English language. Click next. there's no much thing to adjust here, but I favor this OS. Let me look for it, the one with the dark background. So next, click OK. So to create your first source file or a new window, just head over to File, click New, click Highlight Source File, then click on it. Short, you can click Ctrl+N. So now writing our first program, hash, in small letters by the way, hash include IO stream using namespace std, then we int main, then we write our first code, cout. Remember to put quotations, hello world, and return 0. So to compile and run our first program, we head over to this top section, click this button, compile and run. So it will ask you to save this program. So I'm going to save on the folder which I've created before I recorded this video. Okay, where's that folder? Oh, okay, I'm having some trouble here. Desktop, let me just write hello world. Mind you, just write a plain text hello world and save. Okay, replace it. I've already done this before. So it will produce a certain window that will write a text on the screen written hello world. Voila, there is our first C++ program. So mind you, in the following video, that's where I'll explain to you. So in order to exit, you can press any key. So in the following video, I'm going to show you, to explain you what each line here means, so that we will know what we are doing. So what include iostream means, what using namespace std means, and what int main, cout, and return 0 mean. So as this is the body of the program. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video lecture.